Hey everyone, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. To all of you folks who don't know, we are India's first student friendly community that provides free consultation regarding admission procedure, best accommodation nearest to your college, and opportunities that are perfectly suited to your personality. Like last year, we are happy to take our pro bono admission consultancy initiative to greater heights. And if you're watching this video, it has been possible because of you. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the agenda of this video. Alright, so the next few minutes will be very important for people who are targeting undergraduate admissions this year, particularly the ones who just got done with their class 12th. So, we'll be discussing some of the most common and uncommon courses one can pursue after class 12th. We will also be discussing top 5 colleges all over India and Delhi University for a particular course. And lastly, we will be discussing some of the most common and uncommon career options available after class 12th. Let's begin by taking an overview of the type of courses that are offered by these colleges at the undergraduate level. So these are particularly targeted towards students who are interested in commerce, business and economics. The courses are as follows: BCom Honors, BCom Program, BCom in Accounting and Finance, BBA, BCA, BMS, BBA LLB, BCom LLB, BSc in Accounting and Finance, Actuarial Science, and Economics Honors. Now, to understand that which course is the perfect one for you, you need to really dig deeper and get to know where your interest area is. If you're more interested in accounting and finance, I think you should go for BCom, BCom Honors, BCom Program, or BCom in Accounting and Finance. These three courses also set a basic foundation for the professional courses that you might want to pursue in the future, like CA or CS. Apart from the courses that we have discussed as of now, there are two courses that are gaining a lot of traction nowadays: BCA and BMS. BCA stands for Bachelor of Computer Applications and BMS stands for Bachelor of Management Studies. While BCA gives you a general understanding of how computer applications are run and softwares are developed, BMS is a 3-year undergraduate course that gives you an understanding of how businesses are managed high level. People who are really into accounting and finance can go for another course named BSc in Accounting and Finance, which is a specialized degree. Also, for those who are interested in risk management and economics, they can opt for actuarial science or economics honors from DU. On the other hand, we have BBA, that is Bachelor of Business Administration. Now, this course is often regarded as a mini MBA. For this, you don't really need a specific interest area like we had accounting and finance for BCom. If you're interested in how businesses function, then you should definitely go for a BBA. So this course gives you a plethora of knowledge in terms of specific business functions like marketing, HR, sales, finance, etc. For law aspirants, there are two integrated courses that are really common at the undergraduate level. You can either go for a BBA LLB or a BCom LLB. Most of these courses can be done simultaneously with your college degree, but it totally depends on how you want to do it. You can pursue it simultaneously or independently depending upon how much time you have in your hand and what your preference and your future goals are like. Apart from the mainstream courses that we just discussed, there are some courses that are often termed as additional. So they include forensic accounting, CIMA, that is Chartered Institute of Management Accountants, CA, that is Chartered Accountancy, CS, that is Company Secretary, and Cost Accounting. And lastly, the ones who pursue BSc in Accounting and Finance can become a risk analyst, money manager, personal financer, or even a consultant. Now we'll be diving into the top colleges for particular courses. Let's begin with BCom Program. So for BCom Program, we would suggest that Delhi University would be the best and most feasible pick. If you want a non-Delhi option, we would suggest Christ University Bangalore, NMIMS, that is Narsi Munji Institute of Management Studies, Mumbai, Mount Carmel College, Bangalore, and Symbiosis, Pune. For BMS, that is Bachelor of Management Studies, Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies from Delhi University would be the best pick, following which Mumbai University, St. Xavier's College, Mumbai, Christ University Bangalore, and National Academy of Sports and Management would be some decent picks. For BBA, that is Bachelor of Business Administration, Delhi University, Symbiosis Pune, Narsi Munji Mumbai, Christ University Bangalore, and Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University Delhi would be some of the best picks. Talking about BCom Honors, Shriram College of Commerce, that is SRCC, and Lady Shriram College for Women, that is LSR, are some of the best picks from Delhi University. Apart from that, Christ University, Mumbai University, St. Xavier's Mumbai, and Mount Carmel College Bangalore are also at par for BCom Honors. For law aspirants, National Law Universities, Jamia Millia Islamia Delhi, and Punjab University are some of the best picks. For BCA, that is Bachelor of Computer Applications, Christ University Bangalore, Department of Computer Applications SRM University Chennai, Symbiosis Pune, IMS Noida, and Stella Maris College Chennai are some of the best to go with. Institute of Management and Creative Studies Mumbai, IILM, and ISBF Delhi would be some of the best picks if you want to pursue a specialized degree in BSc in Finance and Accounting. For Actuarial Science, we would suggest you to go for Amity University Noida, Christ University Bangalore, Bishop Heber College, or NMIMS Mumbai. For Economics Honours, we feel that Delhi University would be the ideal choice, but you can also go for St. Xavier's Kolkata, Christ University, Mount Carmel College Bangalore, or Loyola College Chennai. Now we'll be talking about some of the best colleges in Delhi University offering a particular course. For BCom, at the top we have Shriram College of Commerce, Lady Shriram College for Women, Hansraj, and Hindu. For BBA, we have Shahid Sukhdev, Gargi, Guru Gobind Singh College of Commerce, College of Vocational Studies, and Guru Tegh Bahadur Khalsa College. For Economics Honours, we feel that Shriram College of Commerce, Lady Shriram College for Women, Miranda House, Ramjas, and College of Vocational Studies are some of the best picks. Now we'll be talking about some of the best career options available after completion of the courses that we've already discussed. So after pursuing a BCom program or a BCom honors degree, you can either go for Chartered Accountancy, that is CA, Masters of Commerce, that is MCom, Masters of Business Administration, that is MBA, Certified Management Accountant exam, that is CMA, Chartered Financial Analyst exam, that is CFA, or you can explore yourself in the field of entrepreneurship. After completing BBA, that is Bachelor of Business Administration, you can get yourself into roles like Business Administration Researcher, Human Resource Manager, Research and Development Manager, Business Consultant, Information Systems Manager, Marketing Manager, or Finance Manager. People who pursue actuarial science can become accountants and auditors, budget analysts, cost estimators, economists, financial analysts, insurance underwriters, mathematicians and statisticians, or personal finance advisors. The ones who complete their BBA, LLB, or BCom LLB degree are eligible for these roles: HR manager, lawyer, advocate, legal advisor, corporate lawyer, attorney general, law officer, or assistant officer. Some of the best career options available for people who pursue economics honors would be policy making, financial planning, becoming a part of think tanks or development sector organizations, becoming an economist in a corporate sector firm, pursuing actuarial science, or Masters of Business Economics, that is MBE. With this, we come to an end and we would now encourage you to ask questions. We totally understand that the admission season is quite daunting and stressful, but you'll get through it, believe us. You can either comment your queries below or reach out through the handles that you can now see on your screen. Best of luck for your admissions. Signing off, Team We Settle.